Hello, Professor. Today we're gonna talk about system management and solution for traffic problem in Tehran. This presentation has two sections. The first section is about traffic problems in Tehran, and now I'm gonna talk about it. Traffic congestion in Tehran is a complex issue with a wide range of contributing factors. This presentation will explore the unique challenge of Tehran's traffic landscape and propose innovative solutions for improvement. Understanding Tehran's unique traffic landscape. The first one, dense population. Tehran is home to over 8 million residents, with a rapidly growing population putting a strain on infrastructure. Second, limited public transport. Public transport system lacks the capacity to handle the city's growing transportation needs. And the last one, aging infrastructures. Roads and highways are often outdated and poorly maintained, contributing to traffic bottlenecks. Cause of traffic congestion. Demographic and infrastructure factors. First one, growing vehicle ownership. Rising income levels have led to a surge in private vehicle ownership. The second one, urban sprawl. Expanding urban areas have resulted in longer commutes and increased traffic volumes. Third one, lack of parking spaces. Limited parking availability forces drivers to circle for extended periods, worsening congestion. Existing traffic management strategies. Strengths and limitations. Traffic lights. Signalized intersections are common but require constant optimization for efficient flow. One-way streets. Effective for reducing congestion but can create longer routes and inconvenience. Traffic enforcement. While important, enforcement alone cannot solve systemic traffic issues. Smart mobility solutions. Leveraging technology for improved traffic flow. Real-time data. Sensors collect traffic flow data to dynamically adjust signal timing and route guidance. Navigation apps. Real-time traffic information helps drivers avoid congested areas and find optimal routes. Cloud-based platforms. Centralized platforms analyze data and provide insights for smarter traffic management decisions. Public transportation optimization, enhancing accessibility and efficiency. The first one, expanding metro networks. Expanding metro lines and increasing frequency will reduce reliance of private vehicles, improving bus routes and frequency. Optimizing bus routes and increasing service frequency will make public transport more appealing. The last one, integrated ticketing system. Unified ticketing systems streamline travel and encourage multimodal transportation options. Incentivizing carpooling and ride-sharing. Reducing single-occupancy vehicles. Dedicated lanes. Designating carpool lanes encourage shared rides and reduce solo drivers on congested roads. Financial incentives. Offering discounts or tax breaks for carpooling and ride-sharing encourages participation. The last one, ride-sharing apps. Platforms like Uber and Snap provide convenient and cost-effective alternative to private cars. Parking management, reducing cruising and increasing turnover. The first one, dynamic pricing. Adjusting parking fees based on demand incentives drivers to park in less congested areas. Smart parking apps. Apps provide real-time parking availability information, reducing wasted time searching for spaces. The last one, enforcement of parking violations. A strict enforcement of parking rules ensure efficient use of available parking spaces. Conclusion and next steps. Integrating a comprehensive traffic management system. Addressing Tehran's traffic challenges require a multi-phased approach that combines infrastructure improvements, technological solutions, and behavioral change. By implementing a comprehensive traffic management system that integrates these elements, Tehran can achieve more efficient and sustainable transportation for its residents.
So now we're moving on with the second section of our presentation, which is about traffic congestion in Tehran, innovative solutions. Traffic congestion is a major issue in Tehran, causing delays, pollution, and stress. This presentation outlines a comprehensive approach to tackle this challenge using innovative strategies to create a more efficient and sustainable transportation system. So now we have to focus on the causes and the impacts. The causes are population growth, increasing car ownership, lack of public transport infrastructure, and inefficient traffic management system contribute to congestion. Impacts can be traffic congestion leads to increased travel time, air pollution, fuel consumption, and economic losses. It also impacts quality of life and public health. Improving public transportation, expanding metro and bus networks. So expanding Tehran's metro system with new lines and stations connecting key areas and reducing reliance on private cars. Upgrade and expand the existing bus network with high-frequency routes, modern buses, and improved accessibility for passengers. Invest in a dedicated bus rapid transit system to provide a faster and more efficient option for commuters. Promoting ride-sharing and carpooling initiatives. Ride-sharing platforms promote the use of ride-sharing apps like Snap and Tapsi, offering incentives and highlighting their benefits. Carpooling programs develop and promote carpooling program in workplaces, universities, and communities, encouraging collaboration that we also highlighted previously in the first section of our presentation. Incentives and policies offer tax breaks, parking privileges, and dedicated lanes for carpoolers to incentivize ride-sharing and reduce congestion. So implementing intelligent traffic management system, like adaptive traffic lights. Adaptive traffic lights adjust signal timings based on real-time traffic conditions, optimizing the flow. Traffic sensors. Roadway sensors collect data on traffic flow, speed, and congestion levels, informing traffic management. Real-time navigation. Real-time traffic information and navigation services help drivers to avoid congestion and plan efficient routes. Encouraging bicycle and pedestrian-friendly infrastructure. Dedicated bike lanes. Create dedicated bike lanes along major roads and pathways, providing safe and convenient routes for cyclists. Pedestrian-friendly crosswalks. Improve pedestrian crossings with clear signage, well-lit walkways, and protected intersections for safer journeys. Bike sharing programs. Implement bike sharing programs throughout the city, providing affordable and accessible options for short trips. Optimizing parking strategies and policies, smart parking, demand management, parking enforcement. We also talked about it earlier. Enforce parking regulations strictly to discourage illegal parking and free up space on roadways. Pricing strategies. Implement dynamic parking pricing based on demand and availability, encouraging drivers to park in less congested areas. Integrated parking solutions. Integrate parking management systems with public transportation to provide seamless transitions and reduce car dependence. Integrating land use planning and transportation development. Mixed-use developments, transit-oriented development, compact urban form. Encourage compact urban development with mixed-use neighborhoods, reducing the need for long commutes. Green infrastructure prioritize green spaces, parks, and walking paths, creating a more pleasant and sustainable environment for residents. Raising public awareness and incentivizing behavioral changes. Education. Launch public awareness campaigns to educate citizens about the benefits of sustainable transportation options. Incentives. Provide financial incentives such as tax breaks or subsidies to encourage the use of public transportation and ride sharing. Car-free days. Implement car-free days or zones in specific areas, encouraging residents to explore alternative modes of transport. Conclusion. A comprehensive approach for a sustainable future. Addressing traffic congestion in Tehran requires a comprehensive and multi-faced approach. Combining infrastructure improvements, technologies advancements, behavioral changes, and sustainable planning is crucial for creating a more efficient, equitable, and environmentally friendly transportation system for the city. Thank you for listening to our presentation.